Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. As always, I will be unboxing and also reviewing one of those models. And today actually I have this classic models in 1:43 scale. And guys, this is the most expensive model in this scale that I have. Yeah? So actually it cost me $150, which is insane for such a small model. So let's today check it out and see why I paid such a sum. Actually, this one was quite rare, yeah, so maybe only 3 of them available on eBay. I bought this one on eBay, of course, like almost all my models. Oh, it's quite difficult now to remove it out of this box. So let's push it out using both hands. Yeah, and actually this is it. Very nice in a box. It's still sealed, as you can see here. It's a Rolls-Royce, and now I will read what kind of Rolls-Royce. It's this Silver Spur 2 Limousine, Mulliner Park Ward Silver Spur 2 Limousine, produced in 1992 until 1993. All right. So now we have 2 screws. It's quite glossy here, I must admit. 2 tapes and 1 model. Yeah, so this video should be called 2 tapes, 1 model. Alright, but now maybe what I want to do is really to take this somehow or cut it. Yeah, what do you think? Should I cut it or just use my nails to strip it off? Maybe since this is this yellow tape, it's easier to just use my fingernails. And now check this out, okay? So it's so awesome, so magnificent, glossy, nice black color. And look at this emblem here, the logo. This is fantastic. Yeah, so I really expected that this one will be really detailed, and actually it is. I like the white walls on those tires. Also the discs, yeah, so this is really nice wheels actually. It's a long version. We have quite some details here. We have the gas door, which is there. Yeah. Of course, you can't open anything. This is a resin model, but also the headlights. And here, this symbol here, it's very tiny, yeah? So I really don't want to break anything. But later, of course, I will also take it out of this base and unscrew it. Yeah, 2 screws, I will, of course, make it happen. We have also a very nice tiny antenna here on the roof. What about the interior? Yeah, so I hope you can at least see anything. It's a light or white color with brown details. And also the steering wheel is half brown, half white. Okay, so in the back, actually the license plate says only Rolls-Royce. Also here in the front, only Rolls-Royce, nothing else. And what about the rear lights or tail lights? They also look quite okay. And we have the exhaust. Yeah, and what about the wheels? Do you think they turn a little bit, they spin? I don't think so, but we will find out once I unscrew it. Okay guys, so I think for this one I need also gloves, yeah? So this is what I'm now putting on my hands, which are greasy and moisty. So now let me also use this screwdriver to really take it out of the base. And hopefully it will not be that difficult. It doesn't look like, yes? So, all right, here we go. Here we go for the first time in my hands. Yeah? So, really a nice model. Look at that. And now I will just clean this mess a little bit, and I will also test if the wheels turn. And oh, it's not working very well, and I will now show you why. Yeah, so look how loose it is. Yeah, so I would not expect this kind of looseness. And this axle, this is completely wrong. Yeah, so for $150, this is not really nice. In the front, it's a bit better, but it doesn't spin very well. Yeah, so here it's also, there are some fingerprints. I will need to polish it a little bit. I don't know who did it. I hope it wasn't me. What about those wipers here? Yeah, so they are quite nice. Oh, also, oh wow. It's very detailed, I must say, very detailed. Tiny and detailed, so I love it. It's a great model, especially if you like black limousines like I do, then it's probably a mandatory model for you. Yeah, so very nicely reproduced. I'm loving it. Yeah, so now I will also take a diorama. So here, as always, my favorite Mercedes-Benz S-Class in Maybach version, and now also this Rolls-Royce, a very long version. Look at it, how they look next to each other. So again, maybe the size comparison. So this one is really huge, long and big, and in compared to this Maybach, which is also not very small, but I really love them both. How they are both such a nice, great models. So again, now my next steps will be that I will make a very short reel video on Instagram with this one, and then I will also publish this 6 or 7 minute long version of the video on my YouTube. So thank you again for watching, and I will come later with more models, mostly in 1 to 18 scale, sometimes 1 to 43 scale, and also some very special 1 to 12 scale models. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. See you next time. Bye.